Okay, so hello people. So today we will be solving LeetCode daily question 2706, that is buy two chocolates, and this will be given an integer array prices representing the price of various chocolates in the store, and will be also given a single integer money which represents the initial amount of money. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to buy exactly two chocolates in such a way that we still have some non-negative leftover money, and we would like to minimize the sum of the prices of the chocolates we'll buy. Okay, and after that we have to return the amount of money which will be having left over after buying the two chocolates, and if there is no way possible we have to return the money. Okay, so in the first example what we are given the prices as 1 2 2. So what we can do, we can buy these two this pair 1 and 2, and at the end we'll be having 0 units of money. We'll be left with 0 rupees. Okay, but in the second example we can't buy these two, any of the pair, because every pair is exceeding our current money, so we can't buy any chocolate, and we have to return the money which we are initially given. Okay, so it's a basic question. What we'll do, firstly we'll sort the arrays dot sort prices, and after that what we'll be doing, we'll be checking the minimum cost of, as it will be obvious the first two chocolates will give us the minimum cost. Okay, so then what we'll be doing, uh, let's have a variable int min cost that will be equal to prices 0 plus prices 1. Okay, so what we'll do here, we will check that if min cost is less than or equal to money, what I'll do, I'll simply return money minus minimum cost. Okay, otherwise I'll just simply return money. Okay, so now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Okay, so now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.